This is me and Matt. We're gonna go pick up the robot.
Yeah.
He's been laying down for about a week or so now. He's our buddy. We can't just let him lay around like that.
We're committing
Robot cruelty.
defacement. Yeah.
Yeah. Fucking wind knocking over my buddy, robot. Look, got his leg all bent.
Yeah, I'm good.
Wow. Cool. That's pretty heavy, dude.
It's cool, I got this. No, I got this easy.
I don't want to like knock the...
I'm telling you, I got this.
I can't get it. I can't do it.
Well, let me do it.
Yeah! Woo! Alright, robot man. High five! See you later, man. Don't be falling down.
Stay black.
Camera.